In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can make better area buildings with a strategy here in Mini War on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and hit buy and interact with the shopkeeper. And you're going to want to start in this little factory section just like so. Go ahead and get yourself some wheat farms, some corn farms. These essentially will produce resources that you can collect and sell for money. They're extremely cheap just like so. Essentially go through and buy as many of these as possible, especially the cheap ones. Once you go ahead and get yourself some of these resources, go to your country, and you want to go ahead and place these nearby houses. The reason for this is because the workers will come out and work on these pretty consistently like so. And we're actually going to arrange these a little bit differently real quickly. You can use the hammer to essentially go ahead and do this, but essentially place these all down just like so. Let these start getting you a ton of cash, and once you actually have that cash built up a little bit more, that's when you're going to want to start heading back to the buy menu and buying even more stuff. Now, obviously, it doesn't have to look great. There's no specific way that you have to go ahead and place this down every single time. I just like to place it down a specific way because I think it looks nicer. But once you have some cash, go back to the shopkeeper, interact with this guy, and you're going to want to go into the military tab because you want to get yourself some good stuff from the military tab. The more expensive it is, the better it is. Of course, go ahead and once you have your items, come back, place them all around, and then send your troops out to conquer areas. And as they conquer more areas, you'll go ahead and have more civilians and more military power as well. That's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content, so we would greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.